I've taken an example from a CBSE question paper. So let's get started because I've already discussed the format, points to remember, how to write it, marking scheme and everything that you want to know about note making in my first video, and this is the thumbnail of first video. I have discussed do's and don'ts and I've made it very easy. So if you haven't watched the first video, go and watch the first video and then come back to this video because here I won't be explaining the format and other details. So here is the passage. So fashion, it is a force, a powerful force of constantly altering patterns of change and growth. Now, as I have told you that you have to first read the whole passage in one go and you have to underline whatever you find is main. So here I'm going to take a pen and I'll be doing it side by side. So it is about fashion. So fashion, it is a force. So I'll be tick marking it like this because I will be making it as a main heading. So a powerful and constantly altering patterns of change and growth. So change and growth, this can be my subheading. The constant movements affects the fate of designers and manufacturers. Again, it is a main point, or it is something that is important. So I have just underlined it. Who distribute it, and of course the lives of consumers. So it also affects lives of consumers who follow what it dictates. All of its facets taken together add up to a multi-million-dollar industry. Fashion today means mega bucks. So this is the first passage, and whatever you feel like that you can make it your main heading, you can tick mark it. Others, they are underlined, that will be your sub points. And if you want to choose your abbreviations right during the first reading, you can circle those words. Now here, fashion multi-million dollar industry, I will be making the main point out of this passage. So I have tick marked this. So rest, these can be my sub points. Then I will be using the word constantly in abbreviation. Then I'll be making an abbreviation of and because it's already there, a symbol for and I'll be writing. And then I can even use the word industry in abbreviation. So these are my abbreviations. So like when you are reading for the first time, this is what you have to do. Uske baad, now second paragraph. So fashion is also a science. So fashion, it is also a science. This can again be my main heading for the second paragraph. Surprising, isn't it? However, it is well known that it involves known facts and basic principles. Ye subheading aa gayi ab iske andar. And its actions and reactions can be predicted. Again, subheading. And these are based on facts and principles. Fashion is one of those distinct and unique traits that is highly dependent on the environment and the changes that are continuously taking place in it. Now it is again a trade also. So this can also be a main heading maybe of next point. So and it because it is highly dependent on environment. Now I'll be using the word dependent in abbreviation, then environment also in abbreviation. Then these have to be understood by the designers if they want to be successful. So again a sub point. These have to be understood by the designers to become successful. So ये मेरे दो paragraphs complete हो गए. Now next paragraph. For one to make it to the top in the fashion business and stay there, one has to continue to discover and innovate to fulfill the needs and wants of the customers. That means this paragraph is talking about how to make it to the top and be there and stay there. So ये जो है ये हो गया मेरा main point. So I have tick mark it. So उसके लिए क्या करना है? Continue to discover and innovate. So this is the sub point. And fulfill the wants of the customers. Then for this, most of the top designers, they rely upon their creativity. So second sub point is that you have to rely upon what? Creativity backed by years, then invaluable experience, and then this line of work you need instinct and intuition. They play a major role. Besides, what you need is knowledge of past failures and successes. So these all are my sub points. Now if I want to make any abbreviation out of this, I can make an abbreviation of experience, then any other word if you think you can make, or you can even decide afterwards when you are writing or making notes. Then I can even make an abbreviation of the word discover here. Now, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 abbreviations are already there. So 4 it is written minimum in the question. So it's not necessary that you make another abbreviation. But again, one thing is your abbreviations, they should be from the whole passage. Like I have missed writing an abbreviation from the last passage. So you should also try to use or occupy whole of your passage for making abbreviation. So I'll be picking up another abbreviation from here and making it 8. Now fashion today is more lifestyle oriented and quite practical. So lifestyle oriented and practical, this will be my main heading for this point now. Now, the modern male and female, they want to dress differently for office and leisure. Designers, they are becoming more daring. So, this can be sub point. So that women as well as men, they have wide choice. So again, a sub point. Lastly, fashion is a force. So it is a force that causes women to raise and lower their skirt length, straighten or frizz their hair, and change from sportswear to dressy clothes. Fashion is also that force which influences men to grow or shave off their mustaches and beards, choose wide or narrow ties and lapels, and change from casual jeans into three-pieces suits and tuxedo. It is indeed this dynamic and varied force that adds a spice and color to our life. So, it is a dynamic and varied force. Now, I have read it in whole go. I'll be using this word color in abbreviation. So, now my abbreviations, they are scattered throughout the passage, and here now I want to decide on the title. I have read the whole passage in one go and I know it is all about fashion as a force that is changing. Now, for changing, this word dynamic is suitable. So, I will be making the title as Fashion a Dynamic Force. Now, let's make notes quickly. Again, I'll be going paragraph wise, but I won't be doing all this marking again now. So on the basis of the reading, you have to make notes. So this is the first paragraph. I'll be quickly making notes because I've already explained how I'll be doing it. So industry, I'll be using this abbreviation. Constantly, I'll be using this abbreviation. And for and, this symbol I'll be using. So first of all, note making. You will be writing the question number here. Then comes title, Fashion a Dynamic Force, and this is the first point. So first, as I've decided, my first point, main point will be fashion, multi-million dollar industry. So industry abbreviation, I've underlined it. Under that, now subheading 1.1, constantly changing and growing, affects designers and manufacturers' fate and affects consumers' life. So phrases, not complete sentences, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Now second paragraph. So मैंने ये सोचा था फैशन इज साइंस एंड ट्रेड. सो डिपेंडेंट एक चूज की थी हमने एब्रिविएशन और एक एनवायरमेंट. So this is the notes for this. Point 2, fashion as a science and trade. अब ये as a science and fashion as a trade तुम अलग अलग points भी ले सकते हो, but उसके बाद तुम्हें ये देखना है कि उसके नीचे कम से कम 3 सब पॉइंट्स आ रहे हैं कि नहीं. अगर नहीं आ रहे हैं तो इट इज़ बेटर कि उसको कंबाइन कर दो. सो दैट इज़ व्हाई आई हैव कंबाइंड इट. सो 2.1 फैशन एज अ साइंस में आ जाएगा कि इट इन्वॉल्व्स नोन फैक्ट्स एंड बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स एंड एक्शंस और रिएक्शंस प्रिडिक्ट हो जाते हैं. और ट्रेड में पॉइंट्स आ रहे हैं हाईली डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनवायरनमेंट एंड चेंजेस एंड सक्सेस डिपेंड्स ऑन अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सो ये सब हमने मार्क किए थे. सो आई वी हैव मेड नोट्स आउट ऑफ इट. Now the next, it is discover, मेरी जो abbreviation है, and experience. The main heading for this paragraph, how to make it to top and stay there. So we have selected this one only. So 3.1, continue to discover and innovate and rely upon. अब अगर आपको याद है, so rely upon के अंदर there were sub headings. So किसके ऊपर rely करना है? On experience and creativity, then instinct and intuition, and then past successes and failures. So these are sub headings. So rely upon. So first subheading will be numbered as 3.2.1. Creativity and experience. Experience जो है हमने use किया as an abbreviation. Then 3.2.2 is instincts and intuition, and 3.2.3 past successes and failures. So this is how, if you have to write sub points, you will be writing it like this. Last paragraph. So we have decided lifestyle oriented and practical as the heading. And abbreviations, I'll be using only one abbreviation here, that is color. So fashion, lifestyle oriented and practical. So 4.1, daring designers offer wide choice. 4.2 allows men and women freedom of choice. So यहाँ पे जो examples हैं वो हमें लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because we have to skip examples when we are making notes. And then last point is it adds spice and color to life. So this is the whole notes that you have or you can prepare from this passage. This is how you have to do it. Then key to abbreviations, 8 abbreviations that I've used. This is how you have to make a table and write it. Now comes summary. So fashion, a multi-million dollar industry, is constantly changing and growing. It affects the fate of designers and manufacturers as well as lives of consumers. It has a scientific approach based on known facts and principles. Success in this trade depends upon the understanding of its dependence on the environment and changes. To be successful in this field, one must continue to discover and innovate. Fashion has become lifestyle oriented and practical. So again, it is 71 words. This is how it should look like in your answer sheet. So note making, यहाँ पे सबसे पहले लिखना question number, whatever is the question number, note making, then your title. Fashion, a dynamic force. And then like this, your points, main points, then your sub points, again next main point, sub points. Third is main point, sub points, and then sub point. So it will be like this. Maintain margin, as I've already told you in the previous video, your key to abbreviations, and then summary. So use the main points for the summary so that your summary is within the word limit. So there's no need to include all the points, all these points in the summary, only main points. So fashion, a multi-million dollar industry. So I've taken this first main point and it's constantly changing and growing. So only this I've taken from here. It affects the fate of designers, manufacturers as well as the consumers. Then it has a scientific approach. I've written it here because it is based on facts and principles. Then success in this trade depends upon understanding. So this I've taken from here. Then to be successful in this field, one must continue to discover and innovate. So from this third point, I've taken discover and innovate to be successful. Then fashion has become lifestyle oriented and practical. So like this, just take one point from every main point to make the summary. So I hope that it's clear to you. That's all for today. Another example, I have already discussed it in first part, and now this example is from CBSE sample paper to give you a reference that how this question will come in your exams. So now I hope that you will never forget how to do it and utilize this in your other subjects also. So give this video a thumbs up and bye for now.